What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with another item. We have a trampoline for Zoe. Let's see what we have in here.
Yeah.
We are on lunch break, so I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to really put this together, but let's at least open it and get it out.
Yeah, let's get it out, guys.
All right, let me get in the barn here. Let's see what tools we're going to need. The base. Oh yeah, there's more pieces than I thought. A lot more pieces than I thought. So, since this thing is pretty big, Zoe, what we're gonna have to do is, for one, we're gonna do this when Daddy gets off of work when it's not sunny and I have more time. So, the next clip scene will be after work. Yep, one of these. I just got off of work, so I'm tired, but she's been bugging me about this, so let's get it going. Zoe wants her trampoline, right, Zoe?
Yes, everyone, Daddy's making my trampoline. Big top.
She calls it trampoline. It's a trampoline. You know what? I think I'm putting these on wrong. Glad I caught that without looking at the manual. Let's see. Yeah, they need to be like this. Hold on, love. Let me build this for her real quick. There we go. Let's see. I just noticed that these go all the way. Let me see. These go all the way inside the other one. Yep, I just realized that. So on one end they're smaller, the other end they're bigger. So you were not relying on
This piece alone here to hold it together. I thought you put that on there and you put the other one on there. Nope. You're putting it all the way through.
You're gonna need some pliers to bend this. Step on it, put it in. Zoe, come here. Stand on that. Stand on that. Stand on that side. Come on, over here. Come here. Stand on that pipe. Stand on that pole. Right there. Stand on it. Put your foot on it. Stand on it. Yes. Put on the other part. The other part. This part. Put your foot on this part, Zoe. All right, step down. All right, just like that. Hold it. Don't let go. There we go. Now that's in there. Let's see if we can get this side in here. To do, I'm just gonna have to saw a piece of it off to stick that pole in there, and the hopefully everything just holds it together. Doing it like this, but I'm pretty sure I can get it. So I'm gonna have to trim off this side and that side. Let's see. So the barn is messy. I haven't cleaned it yet for the winter. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm about to do. Just know you will break a sweat putting this together. I just cut that side. Now we're gonna see if it goes in. And you know what? Let's try this side first. That didn't work. I might have to cut some on the side. So there that is. So now that I got it in like that, hopefully this will let me There we go. Yeah, it looks like that's how it's gonna go. Yep. All right, we are back at it. Second day. Y'all seen what we went through yesterday. We need to put this in. All right, Andy, you push. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stop. Ooh, it's tough. Gotta stop. There you go. Let's see. It's not all the way in there. We gotta twist it again. Okay. So, let's see. But it'll be better if you just use 2 people and get it in there without having to cut it. Zoe, leave that alone. All right, let's get these lame directions. Looks like this one's gonna be the one that goes in here. Five. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. So this is going to go here. So we might want to do it this way. Tell Andy to come here. It's official. This cannot be put together. I tried to pull the strings on with a ratcheting strap and that won't even work. Now I gotta do the task of getting these holes out later. But yeah. What I'm gonna have to do is disassemble this, put it back in the box, ship it back, get my money back. You need to have a pro with pro tools or put the trampoline together. Never buy a trampoline that's not put together.